Hello everyone, it is Susan here. In this video, I wanted to share with all of you the different projects that I plan to do this week. So I have off this coming week, and I don't know, I have a lot I want to share with all of you. So I figured, well, let me come on and show you the different things that I'm thinking about doing. So one thing I'm definitely doing, I had already shared a video on decorating this particular type of folder, right? And I'm going to come on and actually make it from scratch. It might not be Christmas related though, because I don't think I need more than 2 of these in my December daily. So I will probably make something for, let me show you, for this what will be a junk journal. So I have just started making it. I'm following the process that Nina Ribena does. Oh, and these I saw, who did I see do these? Oh, these were from Shabby Dabby Doodah. This is inspired, well, it's not inspired, I totally stole it from Nina Ribena. So, of course, I mean, this is just the shell of it. This is what I'm going to cover it with, is this beautiful fabric. Yeah, so, excuse me. And then, you know, I'll put the signatures inside and all that fun stuff. So I have that going on. I do want to share how I made this particular folder. And this was also something that I learned from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and it was just a lot of fun, and I like it a lot. And I already picked out the scrapbook paper that I'm going to use, so I'm going to make it with this paper right here, which of course is totally different than this paper. And I already pulled out some ephemera and stuff that I might want to decorate it with. So like I have ephemera up here, some here, I have some lace, right? Ephemera, ephemera, ephemera. So yeah, so that's another project I want to come on and do with all of you. Let me move this out of the way. And it's funny, when I watch somebody do something and I know I want to do it, and I don't do this all the time, but I've just actually recently started doing this, and it's helping me. Like, I'll do a quick little sampling, almost like a prototype. And so that's what I did for this. So I even have these 2 little ones right here that I can add to that junk journal that I'm making. So this was my prototype for these. And it's literally just stuff, right? It's nothing special for sure, but that's just kind of how I do it. And then I haven't made this one yet. So this is a little teeny tiny one. I grabbed a little piece of paper and followed along with her. It's a little pocket. Super cute, right? Just so I can remember that I want to do that. I will be doing some masterboard, and I want to try the reverse, what is it called? The reverse collaging. I don't know. And where you cut it from the opposite side where you can't see where all the prints are and everything. But this is all my stash for that. So I'll be doing some masterboards and making some tags for my junk journal. What else? What else? Oh, I'm going to be using this paper here to make, for my December daily. I saw, oh gosh, her name just went right, Joanne. I forget what her channel is, but just to make some, they are actually like the belly bands, and the way she did it was really beautiful. And so I want to make two of those for my December daily, and with the belly bands and the lace and everything. I also want to do some clusters using this color because I don't have anything that color. But to do the like the belly bands and to add laces and stuff to things, I have all this pulled out. Okay, so obviously, well, I have fabric as well. So I have this fabric. Excuse me. Because like on these, so like this is fabric. All of that is fabric. It's not paper. So I have my fabrics and all different patterns. And I got these off of Etsy. So I have that. I have this fabric right here, and this is also good for making the clusters. It's very, very soft and sheer type fabric. So in fact, I think I'm going to pull one of these and put it with this other fabric, and then this one I'm going to put with my stuff for clusters. But again, so like with the belly band, I mean, this all has to be cut down and everything, but for example, right, this would be trimmed down to size, and then to put pretty laces on it, it just looks so pretty. It's so pretty. And this would be cut down, the underneath paper, to the size that I need for my December daily, because I'm using a Reader's Digest book. It's just so pretty. But so what I started doing was I started gathering ribbons and stuff, and I went a little overboard with this stuff, and then I even ended up ordering some. I'm like, I don't need lace or anything like that, but I have some coming. Well, because I just had to order some. So, like, I have this pretty lace that would look super pretty to make that belly band. I have this one, also super pretty. And these aren't anything special, right? So this was probably from Christmas at one point at Michael's. This is old. So this is from my aunt. And I don't know if it was like to sew like on a hem or something like that. I don't know, but it's super pretty. And I thought it would be pretty in my December daily. I have stuff like this. Just pieces of lace that I could cut and also use. I have stuff like this. I have more of this stuff, which I think is just amazing. This was part of what I got from Etsy. I do have this out. Not sure why I have this. I don't know. I suppose I could use it as part of the belly band. This, like all these things that I can add to the belly band. Of course, this is awesome for Christmas. I have this piece of black lace. I have this piece of white lace. Oh, I have this little piece of fabric. I should just put that somewhere else. I have this that I found in my drawer that I just cleaned out, which I think is super pretty. So like this I might not use for Christmas, but when I make it for my junk journal, because I'll probably make, you know, a couple for my December daily and a couple for my junk journal, I'll use that. And then look at this. Beautiful. It's like a satin lace. It's absolutely gorgeous. A satin ribbon. It's absolutely gorgeous. I also recently found this. Super pretty. I have some string. I don't know why I have that. I have this. I don't even know what this is, but I like it. And then I have this lace that I can add to the belly band, as well as this, which obviously is pink, but it is a light pink. So like this paper, which is the paper that I'm using for my December daily this year, is Busy Sidewalks. And you know, I could do something with the pink with that paper. Even though it's a different, totally different shade, I figured I would pull it out. What else? And I might do like a tour of my area. I am trying to organize, and you know, because of recently starting to do the mixed media and collage art and everything again, I've been doing a lot of swapping of craft supplies. So just a lot of organizing, a lot of organizing. So I'll probably do a tour of my craft room if I can get it into pretty decent shape. It's not looking too bad at the moment, but needs a little bit of help. So anyway, so I just wanted to share. This is all the stuff got going on, and I look forward to working on all of this with you all week. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye.